Locs, a hairstyle that intertwines beauty, culture, and strength. Today, we weave through the world of locks, exploring their significance and the stories they tell. Locks are more than a hairstyle. They are a symbol of a journey, a lifestyle, and a profound connection to heritage. They embody a rich history and a bold statement of identity. The roots of locks run deep, tracing back to ancient civilizations. They have been worn for spiritual reasons, as a rite of passage, and as a marker of identity. Forming locks is a journey. It can start with twisting, palm rolling, or interlocking, evolving into a unique pattern and texture that is as individual as the person wearing them. The versatility of locks is remarkable. From elegant updos to free-flowing styles, adorned with accessories or colored with hues, they offer a canvas for creativity and self-expression. Caring for locks is crucial. Proper washing, moisturizing, and regular maintenance are key to keeping them healthy and beautiful. For many, locks are not just a hairstyle. They're a personal statement, a path to self-acceptance, and a powerful expression of cultural pride. Despite their beauty and cultural richness, locks often encounter societal biases. Changing these perceptions is part of embracing diversity and understanding. As we move forward, the perception of locks is evolving. They're being embraced more widely, celebrated for their beauty and the stories they carry. Locks are not just a style. They are a testament to our history, a reflection of our soul, and a declaration of our identity. Each lock is a strand of resilience, a twist of individuality, and a lock of cultural legacy. They are not just hair, they are a crown of honor and strength.